Hello, Emis officers, you are welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to easily get your staff details for the Excel sheet. Okay, whenever I want to fill in details on the Excel sheet, there's a very simple way to do that. And if you really need on how to create these forms, you can contact me, okay, on the number on the screen. So let's go into it. So this is the form I created, okay, and in this form, it has all the details that is needed on the Excel sheet. You can see that. Let me show you the Excel sheet. You can see employee, type, LGA, Oracle, suburb number, which is the Oracle number. Sorry, Oracle number, the suburb number, the surname. You can see that. So look at all we have there. Now let's go back to the form and let's see what happens when we fill the form. So for this form, the employee type is permanent, LGA or job, Oracle number 175748, suburb number. Let's say this is my suburb number, for instance. So let me type in ls suburb slash nts slash 13511 Sonny Okunu. Other names, Ibodin Latunji. Date of birth 11/04/1985. Status married. Sex male. State of origin Lagos. Local government of origin Amuwo Odofin. Cadre clerical cadre. Grade level 7. Designation CCO. You fill in the one that is applicable to the staff. All this information are on the nominal role. Date of first appointment 1/05/2009. Email for Islam at gmail.com. Residential address is 16 Layemi Crescent. Let me use the cap locks. Let me use capital letter that I've been using before. 16 Olayemi Crescent, Federal Second Gate, Jami King, Lagos. The employee status active. So I submit. So when you submit, you see your response has been recorded and you can submit another response. That's you can use the same phone, okay, on the same phone. Just click on submit response and you're going to bring the form again and start typing in the information of another staff again. So let's go and see the first information we fill on the Excel sheet. You can see that. Can you see? Employment type. You can see permanent, LGA or job, Oracle number. You can see my Oracle number. Let me position everything to the middle and let me make the top bold. Can you see that Oracle number? You can see suburb number. You can see that everything I filled in that form is coming here straight to assemble here. Can you see that grade level, cadre, everything is here. Everything is here. And let me make the format very visible, okay, so that you can see the entire heading. Okay, I want you to see the entire heading clearly. Yes, I want you to see the entire because they are entering each other. I want you to see everything clearly. Yes, yes. Okay, you can see that now. You can see email address. You see designation COO, email. Can you see residential address, status active? Can you see that? So if you want me to help you create this form, okay, for your school, which will automatically have your Excel sheet, and if everything is done, I will just easily download, okay, and send it your own Excel sheet to you. So you can easily use this form, okay. You can use the form in combination with this Excel to like get details from your staff. Whenever that staff is far away, you can't get that person. So you just send this the link. There is a link that will be generated. So as soon as you click on the link is going to open up the form, and that staff can fill the form, and you are going to get your the information on the Excel sheet. All right. So very, very good for us to have this, because when we have some staff that are not around, I need some details from them. So you just send them the form, and when they fill the form, it automatically, okay, updates into the Excel sheet. All right. So thank you very much. So if you need it, just WhatsApp my number and you get the details of how to get the form. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in another video.